I've been looking for a way to refresh my outdoor space, and these 16-inch planters immediately caught my attention. Let's open the box and take a closer look. First impression, I really love the stone-inspired texture and the beautiful embossed paisley pattern. It gives the planter a more elegant decorative look, but without the heavy weight of a traditional ceramic pot. The size is actually perfect for outdoor plants. It's 16 inches wide and 12.5 inches tall, so there's plenty of room for flowers, herbs and vegetables. I also want to show you the details. The material feels thick and sturdy, and the reinforced sides make it feel durable. It has multiple drainage holes on the bottom and an elevated base which helps access water escape and keeps the root healthier. I can place these planters in different areas, near the front door, on the patio and in the garden, and they create such a beautiful look. Even though it has the look of stone, it's lightweight and easy to move around. I can easily rearrange my garden setup whenever I want a new look. This pot pack is perfect if you want to upgrade multiple areas of your outdoor space while keeping everything matching. They are very stylish and practical.